Alrighty, my friends. Happy Tuesday to you. So if everyone can please stand up and remember that left is green and right is red. And which hand goes over your heart? Right hand facing the flag. And let's begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All righty, friends, we are not doing recitation today. Yesterday, everyone completed their recitation and knocked it out of the park. You guys did an amazing job, and I cannot express to you enough how super duper proud I was of you all. All right, so with that being said, let's go ahead and get started with morning meeting. So, of course, the very first thing we do is we will draw out and choose a student of the day. Yesterday, our student was Ruby. Let's see who today will be. Today's student of the day is Corwin Brooks. Come on down, Corwin. So if today Corwin was here, the very first thing Corwin would do is turn the clock to morning. Then Corwin would write first and last name. But because Corwin isn't here, Mrs. Har will go ahead and write Corwin's first and last name. Corwin Brooks. And then Mrs. Harrell would give Corwin a Student of the Day sticker and give her a pointer and say, all righty, young lady, you are on. And Corwin would say, this here thing is called a calendar. And this here is called a month. And what month are we in? February. And this here is called the year. And what year are we in? 2021. Now, friends, if yesterday was Monday, then that means that today is Tuesday. But let's just double check. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And how many days are in a week? 7 days in a week. Let's go ahead and do our months of the year, beginning with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And remember, friends, that there are 12 months in a year. Now, it looks like we have a number day missing. Let's go ahead and count and see what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Now, before we add our number 23 there, let's go ahead and do our ABC pattern, beginning with parallelogram, square, hexagon. 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 Parallelogram, square. Very good. Great job, friends. And we'll go ahead and put that square right there. Now let's go ahead and help Corwin with the letters in the month. Okay. Beginning with oh, this 23 is a little crooked. Beginning with capital F, E, B, R, Danilian U, Danilian A, R, and of course our monkey tail Y, February. And then of course we're going to finger space. And what two digits are we writing today? A 2 and a 3. And a 2 and a 3 makes what number? Correct, 23, followed by a comma. Is a comma number? No, silly, it is a space. And let's go ahead and please tell me the digits in the year. 2, 0, 2, 1. Now let's go ahead and read today's date with Corwin. So here we go. Today's date is Tuesday, February 23rd, 2021. Excellent. Now, friends, if yesterday we were here 121 days, what would today be? Well, let's look here. What comes after 21? 22, okay. But if we add a 100 to it, that would be 122. So let's go ahead and draw out our great big bundle of 100, followed by Mr. 10. So this is 100, 110, 120. Now we got to draw out Mrs. Ones. 121, 122. So here we have 122. Now let's go ahead and graph this on our days in school graph. So in my 100ths column, I am going to write a 1. In Mr. 10's column, 1 plus 1 equals 2. And in Mrs. 1's column, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Great job. 122. Now, let's go ahead and see if our days in school tag matches our days in school graph. Do we have one great big bundle of 100s? Do we have 2 Mr. 10s? And how about 2 Mrs. 1s? So how many days have we been in school? 122. That sure is a whole lot of days, my friends. And really, really quickly, I want you to look at our stack of days in school tags. It has gone down significantly, friends. There's a lot of cards missing now, but we still have a lot of days left together. Yeah. So friends, let's go ahead and do our coin cup, coin cup, coin cup. And of course, in our coin cup, we have some pennies. As I drop them into the cup, you will count with me. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, tally up 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, tally up 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, tally up 15, 16, 17, oops, 18, 19, tally up 20, 21, 2, 3, 24, tally up 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. All right, so, and just in case you're wondering about that penny that fell, I just replaced it with one that I had here. Now remember, friends, when we see these bundles, we count these bundles by fives. So 1, 2, 3, 4, tally up 5. So let's go ahead and count and see what our total tally marks are. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So 29 cents and 29 tally marks. All right, let's go ahead and do our number lines. Okay, let's go ahead and start counting by tens. So here we go. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's go backwards. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. Great job, friends. Counting by fives. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Great job. All right. Evens 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Very, very good, friends. Odds 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. Now let's go ahead and count by 100s. 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Excellent. All right, now before we do our digital clock, let's look at our 100s chart. And of course, we started counting, adding tens to a number. So today, let's go ahead and do number 8. Okay, and remember when we add 10, we're going to go downward. So here we go. 8, 18, 28, 38, 48, 58, 68, 78, 88, 98. Very, very good. Look at today's pattern, friends. Oh, we've got some numbers here, but then of course we have some that are missing. So we have 500, 600, 700. We're missing some numbers here. Remember, I gave you guys a clue. When you have some missing numbers here, count going from the back forward and see if we can find what it is. So, I don't know. Let's see. 700, 600, 500, 400, 300. I don't know. Maybe 200. Let's try it. So let's see. We'll write 200 right here. Okay. So we have 200. What would come after 200? 200. 300. Okay. All right. Let's go back. 200. 300. Okay. 400. So now let's see if our pattern is complete. 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. Ding, 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 ding. Very, very good. That was fantastic. Now let's go ahead and look at our digital clock. Our digital clock reads 4:30, or another way we can read that is 4:30. our analog clock reads half past 12 o'clock. So we need to match our analog to match our digital. Okay, here is my hour hand, here is my minute hand. So I need to look for 4:30. So I want you to keep an eye on our hour hand. First things first though, I think we need to locate 4 o'clock. Okay, so there's 4 o'clock. And now we need half past 4 o'clock. So I want you to keep an eye on that hour hand and see what happens as we are inching towards half past 4 o'clock. What happened to our 4? Or actually to the hour hand, what happened? Correct, it moved. From the 4, it moved. So now our hour hand is between the 4 and the 5. So now our analog clock reads half past 4 o'clock, or another way we can say that is 4:30. Okay, analog clock reads 4:30, digital clock reads 4:30. Ta-da! And we match. Alrighty, my friends. So when I see you today for live session, make sure that you bring your armadillo color by number. Okay? All right, friends. And don't forget also, before you do your fun math, you have a written assessment number 17. And you also have your fact assessment number 12. Make sure it is a 5-minute timing on that, and that you upload it to Schoology today by 3:30. Okay, I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye.